Hello, and summer is here. Everybody likes a good old cold brew. And today we're going to review a machine called FOSA. It's a portable cold brew machine that's able to make your cold brew coffee in less than 15 minutes. And let's see how it works. As you can see, it comes with three parts, a glass jar and a funnel, plus a egg-looking things, which give you the pressure to increase the speed of a compared to a regular cold brew. And that's what you normally get in a box. You can get the travel pack as well, but I don't have it. And let's look at its build quality. The glass jar actually looks very nice, and the V60 looking funnel things actually have some metal net inside to strain the coffee ground, plus two little hole at the base. It's made out of plastic, BPA free according to the legend, so you can feed your children with coffee. And this, it's the vacuum part, which is where the magic happens. It looks like a little baby toy, pretty durable, using battery. Has three different mode with three different light setting. Normally for me, I just use the white color one, which is the speed mode. You press it, you get your vacuum done. Has a very little suctions, but I think in terms of making a cold brew, it should be enough. We need to put it on the test very soon, and let's see how it goes. Simply pressing and holding the top button, you can get into the pressure mode. And that's how much pressure it gives. According to the legend, it gives you up to 2 bar of pressure, and which will be enough for you to extract your cold brew. And now we're literally in the middle of nowhere. You got a brewer and a bottle of coffee, and your friend tells you, I want to drink coffee. This is what the brewer comes into play. Yes, that's how this particular machines work outside of home. For home use, I think it's slightly lacking of flavor because 2 bar pressure, it's not going to give you the right amount of control to make your extractions nice and complete. But there is another way for us to play around with this. This is the cold brew coffee that I make. 10 hours later, we are going to use this machines to extract it. And now, after 10 hours, this is what I prepared earlier, a cold brew. So what we're going to do, we are going to use the machines to extract coffee from it. So all we need to do is pouring everything into the coffee machines and close the lid. Then press the wrong button. And you start to extract the liquid. As you can see, the liquid starting to come out relatively fast. And this is how I think that you can use these machines at home. It's 10 times faster than the normal regular V60 filter paid away. And of course, if you do not have a toddy brewer, this is one of the best way of extracting a cold brew. It still takes time, but I believe the result will be a lot more better. Yep, and now it's ready. I can already smell the coffee. Let's open it up and have a look. And this is what the pressure done to our cold brews. As you can see, it actually put on the right amount of pressure to actually press the coffee down, so you can see the pressure. By doing this, it will enhance your flavor of your 10-hour brew, or maybe reduce your 10-hour brew to a 6-8 hour brew. I haven't tested yet, but it's pretty promising, the result, and we need to taste it now. And this is what I got from the cup. It was a concentrate. Actually tastes better than a regular extractions. It gives you much more depth, and you can taste a bit more from the coffee beans. So I think that's a better way of using these machines to apply pressure on a regular cold brew. And that's it for the review, La. Is that a buy or not? It's up to you. If you need something to increase your cold brew, do it. And thank you for watching. Bye.